How to edit your cookie commercial video. By the end of this video, you will know everything needed to edit a small commercial using clipchamp.com. Create an account for free or log in using your account. Once you've logged in, you're going to need to create a new video. We will be using widescreen for the editing of our video. Welcome to the editor. Start by either dragging and dropping your file from your computer into this window or by clicking Browse Files and finding your file. If it needs to be converted, just wait a moment until it is done, and then we will continue. Now that our video is done processing, we can drag it into the timeline. Test and make sure you can hear your video. Hi, perfect. So the first thing that we're going to do in editing this is we are going to trim the video down to be just the part where the subject is talking. So if I go back and wait for that hi, it'll be just before that. When you're ready to clip it, make sure that you have your line where you want it and select split. That will create a division between your first and second part. We're also going to do this at the end to cut off any extra noise. Girl Scouts. Give it a moment and then split it. Don't do it too close, that way we have enough room for a fade in and a fade out. You can now delete these videos by selecting it and hitting the delete button either on your keyboard or right here. Now we have our smaller video just with our cookie commercial. We are going to add a fade in and out to our video. To do that, we want to select the clip that we want to add the fade in and out to. We're going to go up to this top bar up here where it says fade. I'm going to be adding a 0.2 second fade in and fade out. Let's see how that looks. Hi, my name is John. Kind of fast, but not too fast. You are welcome to extend it. Hi. If you have the extra space, if you happen to record your video and you're right up against the edge, maybe only 0.1 second. But add a fade in and out to make it look nice. Next, we're going to add a title card. To find the title card, we are going to be going into text and scrolling down until we find captions/lower thirds. Here you will have a couple of options. I'm going to use the lower third option. I'm going to drag it down into the text area of our timeline. To edit the text, make sure you have it selected, and up at the top of the window, select text. This will allow you to put in name and troop number. When editing the text, make sure that you only include first name and troop number, not last name. This is most of the editing that an average video may need. But if you have a green screen like me, here's how you can edit that too. Select the video with the green screen background. Go to Filters on the top and scroll down to the bottom. Here there's a green screen option. If your green screen is not an even shade of green, you may still notice a bit of fuzziness. Now that we've taken out our green screen, let's add something behind it. We're going to go back to our media, and we are going to upload a picture to put behind it. I've chosen this wonderful picture of Seattle for my example. Let's go ahead and put it behind. Now, although there's still a little bit of green fuzziness, we have removed the background and it appears that I have a Seattle backdrop behind me. Let's take a look at it one more time from the beginning. Hi, my name is John, and I'm participating in the largest girl-led business in the world. This year, I'm raising money with my troop to help fund local community service projects. Last year, my troop made fleece knot blankets and delivered them to our local hospital. Please help my troop and me reach our goals. Thank you for supporting Girl Scouts. And with that, we have a completed Girl Scout cookie commercial. Now we need to export it and then it is up to you on where you want to post it. To export your video, we're going to go and click this export button in the top right corner. If you are on a free account, you may only see one option to choose from. If you happen to be on a paid account, you may see more. By selecting Continue, you can watch as it exports your video, and you can either share directly with a Clipchamp clip, or by sharing the video that it downloaded by selecting Save to Computer, or it may automatically download it upon finishing. You have now edited and exported your video. Now you have all the tools you need to edit your own videos.